Hi, this is the Huawei MatePad 11.5 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first, to do that, we should open the app gallery and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Click to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap to OK twice and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.